Hi friend, welcome to YouTube channel WG News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Punjab Univil's rupees 5.45 trails, soar plans, but get. Once again I say welcome back if you are new viewer and or viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest update and stay connected with me. Forces of development, laptop, schemes, Kisan cards introduced no new tax for agriculture real e-start score. Lahore and mine massive in-house protest by the oppositions. The Punjab government lead by PML and percent its annual of rupees 5.45 trillion for the fiscal year 2024-2025 thought the rupees 630 million super plans that get released, no plans to task the agriculture and release EC Soros properly defeat onion pressures from the IMF. Country's income from agriculture is being taxed by the provide at a far lower rate than the normal personal income tax rates. The damage for tasking agriculture income on a par with other incomes too, and this by the IMF. The Portugal government collectors on per stain stamp duty and 1 PC TMA faces on the total DC value rate of the property during transfer. There are no changes to the exciting stamp and faces no increases in quieter agriculture tasks, making it difficult to meet or excited review track. Punjab Minister Sujjar Rahman revealing the duty speak in the Punjab Assembly that the duty includes an annual development program ADP of rupees 84 824 beans and a 28 PC increases from a provide years rupees 655 BN. Significant allocations have been made for education, health and agriculture introducing seeks like the laptop and Kisan card invited. Mr. Rahman said the duplicate was and mind the executing the roadmap set by Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz in her first 100 days of the government. Today we have begun the development of the province. Today we Pranyang Punjab begins never task free and began he demand show that he has a superpower of Punjab. Viewers fees the task have been the quantum fees have been increased thought amendments of the counter fees a cat of 187. For example, a fee for Reels 1 has been released to rupees 100 and that of rupees 5 of rupees 500. The stamp duty attack of 819 has been also been added increasing the valuations of rupees 100, stamp papers of rupees 1000 and rupees 1000 to rupees 3000. Once again, I say welcome back. If you are new viewer and or viewer, the government will have to declare any property has a high level property. The property on your will be informed about the producer for accessing the level so that they can self assess their property. However, the asking will be able to the self assignment of the property, and if a person underpays task to tries on angling task, they may be fined in additions to the amount of task that you get, earning our rupees 5 4.643 clients in reviews we amounting of rupees 418 travel. The government will receive rupees 3.683 trillions from the Filter Developable poll under the NFC award. The projected provincial collections in higher than the counter year. The revenue collection tracked rupees 300 billion from the Punjab rivers. Actually rupees 105 billion from the Board of Review from exercise and tractions from non-tax reviews. Once again, I say welcome back. If you are new viewer and or viewer, I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you did like this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.